All right, so I'm going to show you practically how to perform your own tax. The moment you have added to an agency, start doing it fast so that you earn your money. So you click on reward right here on your home page. Once you click on reward, you are going to see your daily tax. So if you are new right here, you'll be seeing 10,000 coins. All right, you can click on go in the front, or you can equally just go and start a live stream. Okay, so this go now is the one you go live with. The second one is the one you are going to join a party and stay for 1 hour. So just click on the live right here. You see live right here again. You are going to click on it. Once you tap on this live, this pink live, you see, when you click on it, you are going to come up like this. Your face will show. So you should know that there is live, there is party. So if you want to host a party, you click on party so that you host a party. But you should, and then you click on this I accept so that you'll be able to do. But you should know that for you to host, if you're hosting a party, it's not counting as your own tax. You're only helping people to host a party. Okay, all right, so here it is. Once you start live streaming, that's your first live, you click this button right here. If you tap on it, is what is going to show you how long you have stayed. As you can see, this one now is showing 0/60. That means, okay, that means I have not spent any minutes. If I've spent 20 minutes, it will show 20/60. Once it's 60/60, you are done for the day. You can just come and X and off it. So if you click these three lines right here, is where you are going to see your microphone and so many other things you can do. You're going to learn this as you go, but that's where you can turn off your microphone and turn it on. Okay, if you this microphone sign, that is where you will be seeing people's profile or people's picture if they are requesting to come up. So you can click on it so that and turn on their microphone so that you can be gisting with them as they join your live stream. And again, you should also know that you can, okay, like this particular one is for game. You can still play game. Yes, you can gift. The other one is gift. So you can select to gift people. But since you are new, with time, you're going to learn all this. I'm going to do another video separately about gifting. So let's not waste our time on that. Okay. So right here, you can also message people. If you click on it, you can chat with people, you can type a message and all that to interact with people that are coming to your live stream. And it doesn't matter, okay, this one is for game, and it doesn't matter if nobody join your live stream. In as far as you stay for 1 hour, you are good to go. And please, if you are doing live streaming, don't go, just stay there. Okay, stay there. If you leave and come back, you are violating their community guideline. In case you don't know, I don't tell you that one. So all right, as I'm just doing this one, people are just coming and I am not doing live stream already. People are already almost 10. So okay, so as it is right now, I will just end it. This X up here, it's asking me, am I okay that I want to end it? If I don't, yes, I'll click on okay. That means I've stayed my 1 hour. Okay, I'm assuming I've stayed my 1 hour. Is that X up? That's what you should touch. Okay, X up. All right, that means I've ended my live stream. So I'm going to click on okay. This one I only stay 2 minutes. That means later I can always come back and it will continue from where I stop. All right, so the next thing, I'm going to click on this home button so that it will take me back, so I can click on reward. So in front of the reward, that go live, that go now, it will show receive. So click and receive. The next thing is you need to perform your second task, which is to join party. Okay, and this particular button you are seeing here is the party button. So you tap on it to see people that are in the party so that you can join and sit in a crown seat for 1 hour and you grab your coin. So once you stay for 1 hour, you go back and grab your coin. So one trick I used to do, this is a very important place where you are going to join. So just search to see people that have less persons. Okay, you can just click and check if they will let you in. That is why it's important for you to add your logo. You see, as I just joined now, you can see my name is already showing. Just click on the message and drop message. Hi, please, could you bring me up? I want to perform my task. If the person bring you up, good and fine. If not, you go out and search again. So the tricks I use right here is to check people that doesn't have a lot of people in their hosts, okay, so that they can let me sit on the party on the crown chair to perform. So this 3, you should also know that this seat 2, 3, and 4, they are the crown seats. Any other seat you sit, that means you are waiting for someone to finish so that you can join in. And I also want you to note that you also, as a beginner, you can decide, you can make friends in the Telegram. Okay, you can just make friends at the same time so that you can decide, okay, let's one person start a party so that we can sit on a crown seat, and then later vice versa. You just make friends. Okay, you don't have to wait until the person in your agency that will help you, but always when you are on the agency, you will see. So when you come back home, click on reward, and in front of the reward, once you have done that, you will see received. Instead of this go is received, you will see. And ensure you always receive it. Always make sure you receive it. So that's how to perform your tax. I wish you all the best. In the next video, I'll show you more.